Hi YouTube friends, yesterday my daughter and I made our homemade ice cream and it stayed overnight in the freezer, so now she's going to open it to see what it looks like. Go ahead, baby. Wow, look at that. Is it hard? What does it feel like?
Rocks.
Like rocks? Wow.
It feels like soggy rocks.
Like soggy rocks?
Because rocks are hot, so it feels a little bit soggy.
May I? Oh, that's pretty hard. Do you want to do the first scoop? Oh, that's like ice. Yesterday when we were checking it in the refrigerator, it felt like a smoothie, huh? And then it fell a little bit on the ice cream part. Yep.
I wish YouTube friends you could see it. Feel it.
Yes, definitely, and taste it. Okay,
Definitely.
so this is our serving spoon. Let's go get our other spoon. Okay, well, you do the honors. How does it taste?
It tastes very good.
Well, this is my turn.
And that's what it looks like. It
Good.
feels very hard rocks. But mommy, guess what? When we scooped, it looks like that. And then before we stirred it, it looks like that.
You know, I feel like the taste is good, but it doesn't feel creamy.
No, it feels like
Like an ice cream?
Yeah, it's supposed to feel like an ice cream.
It's more like a shaved ice.
Yes.
It's between like shaved ice and ice cream, right? Because shaved ice is a little bit rougher and less put together. I don't know if that's the correct word, but definitely I feel like, so I'm serving it here. I'm serving, no, this is ours, this is ours again. So, what do you give it? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Let me know.
Thumbs, like in between.
Let me see your in between. Lower. So she's giving it a thumbs down and a thumbs up. What about the taste? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Taste. Up. Great. So the consistency or the look?
Thumbs up.
Up. But the way, I guess, okay. Yeah, it's not like ice cream, but...
No. But like when you let it soak in your mouth for a little bit, it feels like creamy and ice cream, right? Oh, YouTube friends, I wish you could taste it. If only you could taste it, YouTube friends, if only.
Yeah, so this is going to be ours, definitely. We've got our journeys all over it, so...
Yeah, we're not going to share anything.
Well, YouTube friends, the next step is we're going to make another batch. But this time...
Can I tell them the flavor?
Absolutely, go ahead.
It's bananas, chocolate.
No, what about this flavor? What is this flavor?
It's, blueberry strawberry.
Blueberry strawberry. You're looking at blueberry and strawberry. But guess what, YouTube friends? We're going to make another batch of ice cream, and this time you are invited. Yeah. We're going to do it in front of you or with you. Thank you, YouTube friends. So we're going to pause, scoop our little ice cream, chop it down, and it's 100% natural.
Natural.
And it's better and good for you. These are all berries. Blueberries and strawberries.
We did not put any preservatives in there.
That's right, we did not. So
Nothing
we're gonna,
GMO.
That's right, non-GMO. We're going to do a banana and strawberry next.
I
Yes?
thought you were going to do a banana and blueberry.
Banana strawberry is probably the best because those are the ones we froze. Oh, we should tell our YouTube friends what we did. So the night before we froze bananas, strawberries, and blueberries because we read somewhere that it is definitely better for you. That it is better to freeze your fruit rather than to use non-frozen food and add the ice because it kind of ruins the flavor or it waters down the flavor. So our advice to you would be freeze your fruit. Freeze your fruit before you blend it. Okay, YouTube friends. Bye-bye.
Bye.